Okay, I just finished watching one battle after another. I'm filled with a lot of emotions. And Chase Infiniti had the cutest hairstyle, the greatest hairstyle ever, if I may say so. And I thought I'd show the internet how to do it. For this, you just need a scrunchie. You don't need hairspray, hair gel, bobby pins. You don't need moisturizer gel. You don't need day 1 hair or day 5 hair. You don't need anything but a scrunchie. So cool. So for this, you're just gonna shake your hair out, take your scrunchie, and then pull your hair back. Pull your hair back. If your front hair doesn't go back because it's too short, you're not the only one. And then after you run around, running away from police and the government and your dad, who's not your dad, it'll get a little frizzy, but like also really cute. And then you have this hairstyle. I just think it's really cool. It took like 5 seconds.